Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to send a one-time view video on Facebook Messenger. This feature is perfect for sharing private moments or sensitive content securely, as the video disappears after being viewed once. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, tap the Messenger icon. This looks like a speech bubble, located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your conversations. Next, select the conversation where you want to send your video. You can pick an existing chat or start a new one by searching for the person's name. Now, look for the photo icon next to the text box in the chat interface. Tap on it to access your camera roll or gallery. Choose the video you want to send from your device. Once you've selected your video, tap Edit. This will open up additional options for customizing how your video is sent. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a circle icon with a 1 inside it. This is the View Once feature. Tap this icon to enable the one-time view setting for your video. This ensures that your recipient can view the video only once before it disappears permanently. Finally, tap Send, which is represented by a paper plane icon in the lower right corner of your screen. Your one-time view video will now be sent securely. And there you have it. Sending a one-time view video on Facebook Messenger is quick and easy, giving you peace of mind when sharing private content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy messaging.